If you're someone who wakes up again and again at night just to go to the bathroom, you're definitely not alone. This condition is called nocturia, and it affects millions of people, especially older adults and those living with diabetes or kidney problems. Getting up multiple times during the night doesn't just disturb your sleep. It can leave you feeling tired, irritated, and drained the next day. But there's good news. Nature has provided us with simple foods that may help reduce this problem, and they're already in your kitchen. In this video, we'll talk about 3 powerful vegetables that can naturally support your kidneys, help manage your body's fluid levels, and balance blood sugar so you can sleep more peacefully. What is nocturia and why does it happen? Nocturia is the frequent need to urinate during the night. For many people, this means waking up 2, 3, or even more times just to visit the bathroom. While this might seem like just a small problem, poor sleep over time can affect your mood, memory, and even heart health. Nocturia can happen for many reasons. The most common causes are uncontrolled blood sugar, fluid retention, kidney strain, and high sodium intake. Many people with diabetes or kidney concerns experience it more than others. Medicines can help, but they often come with side effects. That's why using food-based natural remedies is becoming more popular and trusted. Let's talk about 3 everyday vegetables that have been shown to help with nighttime urination: cucumbers, zucchini, and spinach. These are not only healthy, they're gentle, effective, and easy to add to your meals. 1. Cucumber. Nature's water filter. Cucumbers are one of the most water-rich vegetables. They are made up of more than 95% water, making them excellent for gentle hydration. But cucumbers are more than just water. They contain helpful nutrients like potassium, antioxidants, and natural compounds that help your body get rid of extra salt and toxins without harming the kidneys. For people with diabetes, cucumbers are a great food because they are very low in sugar and carbohydrates. This means they won't cause blood sugar spikes, and they can help keep your levels stable, especially at night. When your blood sugar is stable, your kidneys don't have to work as hard, and this may help reduce the number of times you get up to urinate. Cucumbers also act as a mild, natural diuretic. That means they help your body gently release extra water and sodium during the day, so you don't have to deal with it at night. If your legs or feet feel swollen in the evening, cucumber can help ease that puffiness by removing trapped fluid. There are many simple ways to eat more cucumber. Try adding fresh slices to your lunch or dinner. A quick cucumber salad made with olive oil, lemon juice, and a pinch of salt is not only delicious, it also supports digestion and hydration. You can also make cucumber-infused water by adding a few slices to a glass or water bottle. For extra flavor and digestive support, drop in some fresh mint leaves. This drink is not only cooling, it can help reduce your need to run to the bathroom at night. 2. Zucchini, the gentle cleanser. Zucchini is a soft, mild vegetable that offers many benefits, especially for people with high blood sugar or kidney stress. Like cucumber, zucchini is rich in water, but it also contains more fiber, potassium, vitamin C, and magnesium. All of these are helpful for reducing fluid buildup, balancing salt levels in the body, and helping the kidneys filter waste more efficiently. Zucchini is very gentle on the digestive system and has a low glycemic index, which means it releases sugar into the blood very slowly. This is good news for diabetics because it helps prevent sharp blood sugar spikes. When your blood sugar is under control, your kidneys are under less pressure, and this may reduce the need to urinate frequently at night. Zucchini also helps the body get rid of extra sodium, which is one of the main causes of swelling, bloating, and nighttime urination. If you often wake up with numb feet, swollen ankles, or a full bladder at night, zucchini can be a powerful addition to your meals. There are lots of easy ways to include zucchini in your daily meals. You can slice and roast it with olive oil and herbs. Spiralize it into zoodles, zucchini noodles, to use instead of pasta, or add it to soups and stews for a hydrating, filling meal. Zucchini blends easily with other vegetables and proteins, so it's very versatile. Try this simple meal idea. Sauté zucchini noodles with garlic and olive oil, then sprinkle a bit of oregano or black pepper. It's a comforting, tasty dish that's low in calories and easy on the kidneys. 3. Spinach, the green powerhouse. Spinach is often called a superfood, and for good reason. It's packed with important nutrients that support blood sugar control, kidney health, and bladder function, all of which are important for reducing nocturia. One of the most valuable nutrients in spinach is magnesium. This mineral is essential for improving how your body uses insulin, the hormone that helps manage blood sugar. Better insulin function means more stable blood sugar levels and less pressure on your kidneys. Spinach also contains fiber, which slows the absorption of sugar from food. This helps prevent sudden spikes and crashes in blood sugar, which are often linked to increased urination. People with high blood sugar often experience more frequent urination because their kidneys are working overtime to remove the extra glucose from the blood. Spinach can help ease that burden. Another reason spinach is so effective is because of its potassium content. Potassium helps balance the effects of sodium in the body. Too much sodium can cause water retention and high blood pressure, which increases the risk of nocturia. Spinach's potassium works to flush out extra salt, keeping your fluid balance stable and your kidneys functioning smoothly. You can add spinach to your diet in many ways. It can be eaten raw in salads, blended into smoothies, or cooked into soups and stir-fries. Cooking spinach makes it even easier for your body to absorb the iron and calcium it contains. Try sautéing spinach with garlic and a little olive oil, or mix it into an omelet for a healthy breakfast. Spinach also contains powerful antioxidants like vitamin C and E, which help reduce inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a hidden cause of many problems in the body, including insulin resistance, kidney stress, and bladder sensitivity. By lowering inflammation, spinach supports not only better urination control, but overall health. How to use these vegetables together. Adding cucumber, zucchini, and spinach into your regular meals can create a powerful effect over time. These vegetables work together to hydrate your body, reduce salt and fluid buildup, support kidney function, lower blood sugar, ease inflammation, and ultimately reduce how often you wake up to urinate at night. A balanced day might look like this. Breakfast: spinach smoothie with almond milk, banana, and chia seeds. Lunch: cucumber and tomato salad with olive oil. Dinner: zucchini stir-fry or soup with a protein like grilled chicken or fish. Snack: cucumber water or steamed spinach side dish. Don't forget to stop drinking liquids about 1 to 2 hours before bed. This small habit can also reduce nocturia, especially when paired with the right foods. In addition to these vegetables, there are a few more lifestyle tips that may help reduce nocturia. Elevate your legs in the evening. This helps move fluid out of your lower body and allows your kidneys to process it earlier in the day. Limit salty foods. High sodium causes fluid retention and makes your kidneys work harder at night. Avoid caffeine or alcohol before bedtime. These are bladder irritants and can increase urination. Get regular light exercise. A 20-minute walk each day can improve circulation and kidney function. Frequent nighttime urination can feel frustrating and exhausting, but you don't have to accept it as part of life. By making small changes to your diet and routine, you can support your kidneys naturally and improve your sleep. Cucumber, zucchini, and spinach are simple foods, but they offer big benefits. They hydrate, detox, balance sugar, and help your body rest better at night. Give them a try and observe how your sleep improves over the coming weeks. These vegetables may not be magic, but they come close, especially when you stay consistent. Let food be your gentle medicine. If this video helped you or someone you care about, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Healthy Front. we bring you simple science-backed health advice designed for seniors and those living with chronic conditions. Let us know in the comments. What's your favorite veggie, and which one will you try first to help with nighttime urination? Thanks for watching, and here's to a restful, healthier night.